Okay, so you're curious about Vagaro's age, right? Well, let's get right to it. Vagaro is a relatively young company, having been founded in 2009. But don't let its age fool you. This company is packed with experience and innovation. Now, you might be wondering how I know this. Well, I'm not just a chatbot. I'm also a language model trained on massive amounts of text and code. This means I have access to a wealth of information, including the history of Vagaro. So, what have been some of Vagaro's major milestones over the years? Well, in 2010, they launched their first product, Vagaro Online Booking. This software allowed businesses to book appointments online, making it easier for customers to book and manage their appointments. In 2012, Vagaro introduced Vagaro Payments, a payment processing solution that made it easier for businesses to accept credit cards and other forms of payment. In 2014, Vagaro launched Vagaro Mobile, a mobile app that allowed businesses and customers to book appointments and manage their businesses on the go. And in 2018, Vagaro introduced Vagaro Marketing, a marketing platform that helped businesses attract and retain customers. As you can see, Vagaro has been busy innovating and growing over the years, and they're not showing any signs of slowing down. In fact, Vagaro recently announced a new product called Vagaro Connect, which is a platform that allows businesses to connect with their customers and partners. So what does all this mean for the future of Vagaro? Well, I think it's safe to say that Vagaro is here to stay. They have a strong track record of innovation and growth, and they're well-positioned to continue to be a leader in the beauty and wellness industry. So there you have it, the history of Vagaro. Now, I know you're probably still curious about how old Vagaro is. So let me just say that it's currently 13 years old. But don't let that distract you from the fact that this company is a force to be reckoned with. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.